You're welcome to my latest tutorial on elevating your kaftan outfit with a stunning suit-like design. In this detailed tutorial, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of integrating sleek and tailored suit-style sleeves into a kaftan, creating a fusion of elegance and modern style. Whether you are a fashion enthusiast, a designer seeking to elevate kaftan designs, or someone passionate about merging diverse fashion styles, this tutorial is crafted for you. Join me as you elevate your fashion game and make a bold statement with this unique blend of style. This is VsmDesigns. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell for more in-depth tutorials on fashion fusion and innovative design ideas. Now let's go straight to today's tutorial. You are going to fold your fabric just the normal way that you fold when you are about to cut sleeves, but the difference is that you are going to fold this one to be longer, at least about 2 inches longer. It can be more than that. You keep adjusting it until you get what you want. Because you are going to fold the upper part of it this way. As you fold it like this, you are going to measure to know if it's up to the wideness of your sleeves. If it's less than that, you still adjust. You go again. Your folding is going to be about 1 inch. That's the pleat. This will be the cuff area of the sleeve, so you are going to ensure that the pleat is at the center of whatever the size of your cuff would be. Then you measure. The length of this sleeve is 25 and this is 25. I actually have no business with that 25 because I'm going to add allowance. I'm going to add 1.5 inches, which I rather refer to as emergency allowance. Then I'm going to add 6.5 inches, which I'm going to use to fold the sleeves. And in the course of the video, you are going to see the reason why I made it up to that 6.5 inches. Then you cut it off. You notch this place, notch here. Open it gently and also notch this place. Make sure that you notch the 4 edges of the pleat that you just formed. It would have been better to iron it before opening it to form creases on it, but I did that later on. This is the 6.5 inches. You give a notch in this place. You are also going to notch the center of these sleeves, both the up and the down. Then I've just opened the entire stuff. This is that 6.5 inches allowance that we added. We are going to add an interfacing. This is a tissue paper gum. So I'm going to measure about 6.5 inches or 7 inches. I'm going to place it inside the place that the allowance is going to lap. You can as well decide to add the interfacing on the allowance. It all depends on you. Then you are going to fold it from the notching that you made. Now we are going to refold it. These are the notches. That's why it's important that you notch the edges of the pleats that you did, because you are going to fold it according to the notches. You are going to make sure that the size of this place is equal to the size of the down part of it. And also remember that I'm folding it from the notching I made. So we are going to smoothen it with iron to form creases on the fabric. If you are getting value from this video, please give it a thumbs up, share to your friends and colleagues, subscribe to my channel if you've not done so, and turn on the notification bell so that when next I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. Now we are going to mark our sleeves. Remember, the sleeve length is 25 inches, so I'm going to add half an inch, making it 25.5 inches. I will do the same here. Normally I use 6 inches to slope this. Then this is 9 3/4. Then this place will be your round sleeves measurement. Divide by 2 plus half an inch. While this is the sleeve cuff measurement plus 1 divided by 2. then you join the coordinates. You can now cut your sleeves. So I'm going to weave this place. So we are weaving the rough edge of the sleeve. That's the area that we folded. After which I will smoothen it and take it to a hemming machine. And if you don't have a hemming machine, there's no cause for alarm. You can simply run thread neatly on it. So we are on the machine now. Please, you have to ensure that you refold one of them, because based on the creases we formed, one is going to face the right side while one will face on the wrong side. So you're going to refold one of them. This is how you are going to run thread on it. We are going to measure 6.5 inches here, and from there you run it thread this way and curve it. Then follow the crease that you have formed and run thread on it all through to the top. You do the same on the second sleeve. Mark off your 6.5 inches. Sew it from here all through to the top part of the sleeves. You can see it's neatly sewn. Then we are going to add buttons on it, which brings out the beauty of the sleeve. And this is how it looks. So perfectly made. Thank you for watching this video. You can now click on the banner showing on your screen right now to watch more of my amazing tutorials.